Today I'm going to show you how to transform a wooden gate. As you can see, it's not looking very good and it's in need of a coat of paint. It's an easy process to go through. All you've got to do is prepare the area. First of all, I'm going to sand this down. I'm going to use a rough sandpaper initially and then go over it again with a medium grade sandpaper. Then I'm going to brush all the dust off. And then now it's time for painting. I'm using this Rustin's Satin medium oak outdoor wood stain. And then all I'm going to do is to just paint it on evenly. I'm making sure I don't paint over the latch. It can go on quite thick, it's absorbing into the wood. Great, that's it done. I've only needed to do one coat. I'll just let this dry for a few hours. That's it, that's how simple it is just to repaint a gate, and it looks loads better. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for some more DIY videos.